Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I want to show you custom fields on sales receipts. To get to custom fields, you'll click on the gear in the upper right-hand corner. Under the header for list, you'll go down to custom field. Right now I have custom fields set up. If you want to add a custom field, you'll just click on add field and then follow the prompts. I have a custom field called customer PO that will appear on my sales receipt, both appear so that I can see it, as well as print so that when I print the paper or print to PDF, the client will see it. I want to show you what it looks like and where you're going to find it. Let's go to a sales receipt. To do this, we'll click on plus new in the upper left-hand corner. We'll go down to sales receipt and we'll wait for it to load, and it just shows up right here, kind of in the middle of our screen. The consistent text across all of our sales receipts is going to be the field we gave it in the custom fields list, and then we'll be able to type in whatever we want. In my last example, it was candy cane, but you get the idea. This could be really helpful for you, just so you can make sure that the client sees, oh, here's that receipt and here's the purchase order number I gave you. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, leave them below. Thanks.